What's up, YouTube?
We about to give y'all a room tour right quick.
Let's get it. All right, so right when you walk in, you can see I got these marks on my wall.
Hop over here, get the PC set up, you know, wallpaper, got the laptop. Don't know what this called. Do we care? Nope. PC. What's up?
Kind of cooked.
Actually.
Yeah.
Yo, we got the clothes, XL, L, M, and for y'all little boys out there, we got the smalls for y'all. Then we got a bunch of junk. We got
Yeah, this is my junk area.
yeah, we got a bunch of random
And
stuff.
then an extra PC.
Extra PC.
Trey needs to come buy this thing, bro. He said he would buy. I told him $50 for this PC. Like that. All right, over here is the couch that I
Put you onto this set.
buy it on Amazon, bro. This is the boneless couch from TikTok. If you guys can see. Pillows. And then my TV stand, TV. You know, got the controllers on both sides. Got my belt collection. Got Obito and Kakashi. This is the helmet from the OG Black Days. If you know, you know. Speed champion, boxer, because like I'm Manny Pacquiao for real. First up, you know, we got the white G Fazos.
Yes, sir.
We got these black ones. My brother freaking clapped these Johns out at the school. Yes, bro, these Johns got clapped from your school dance. We got these clappers.
Those been clapped. I ain't do anything to those.
These are clapped from my, I rode with these. These are like my bike riding shoes.
Untouched shoes he's never worn.
We got these Jordan 4s. Kinda clapped. We got these. Ain't nobody wear these Johns.
You can't get them. The back of dang dangs, you already know what to do. They are tough in the fit.
These are my Tims. These are actually his Tims, but he don't know wear them.
Yeah.
These are my custom Air Forces. What the heck is this, bro? Yo, what is this? These are my Jordan ones. It's shattered backwards, that's what you go. They kind of look cool. I used to like them way more, but I don't really wear them no more. These are purple dunks. Don't even care about them. These are the sexy pink beasts, you know.
Those are the best ones in the
These are the best ones in the collection. Oh yeah, over here. This is my diploma. I have no idea how I got this. I have like a 2.0. I had like a 2.0 GPA, which and then I got my little thingies my mamacita made, and a card from my second mother.
You don't know what to do.
This is the beanbag.
The best for last. The best shoes. The one that I got him. You already know these are basketball shoes. Tough grip. GOAT on the back. You already know what to do. If you put these on, you gonna jump 18 feet. I promise you that.
Here's my bed at. You know, this is the area where I just like, you know, just like, yeah, and I go to sleep here sometimes too. Yeah. This is a little bag. Just a bag.
Chill out.
Another pillow. None of this stuff even matches, but we got my light right here. Shut up. We got the lights, and then these are my bike pictures. All of me, you know, Max Aura right here. Max Aura right here. All right, here we got the mirror.
The mirror.
Just don't point the camera down, it's dirty. But other than that, you know, this is the hoodie collection. You know, Max Aura. This is my shirt collection, you know. Double Max Aura. This is my Beyblade collection. Triple Max Aura. These are my pants. Quadruple Max Aura. Boom. Yes, sir.
Need is the Pro Pad. Plug it up on the passenger side by the flow mat. Yeah. Getting striker easy. All you need is a Pro Pad. Plug it up on the passenger side by the flow mat. Don't even start it up. Put it in neutral and let it roll back. And if you wonder how I know, cause YouTube, bro, I don't condone that. Rob a nigga that owed me till his pockets pay his debt off. Bitch so bad I took 2 minutes, I couldn't even get a sweat off. Dog on fair square, up the block, told him that.
It wasn't even bad. Shit low-key slow.
Yeah.
It's an Ultima. I'm in the Ultima. That's the 12.